Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for clicking on today's video. And to my subscribers, thank you for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys. I appreciate anybody that watch my videos and support me and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. Now let's just get into the reason why you guys are here, okay? So you're here for the BOXYCHARM November 2020 base unboxing. Yes, that's what we're here for. I did use some of the product from this box and my premium box to create this gorgeous look. Okay, yes she did. She looking scrumptious. But anyway guys, let's get into the unboxing. Don't know why I'm ranting. Okay, this is the box. We have I see a card for Natasha Denona, 25% off, which means I got the Natasha Denona palette. Yes I did. And I'm gonna save this coupon. 25% off. I did want to try their new palette, so this is a good time. What's up?
I just got a charger.
Okay, and the theme for this month is BOXYCHARM Harvest. And I got variation number 31. And if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, let me tell you. If you don't know what BOXYCHARM is a monthly beauty subscription box where they have 3 levels. The base box, which is the one I'm unboxing right now, is for $25 a month plus tax. And then you have the premium box. If you guys haven't seen my premium box, I'll link it in the card for you guys to check out, which is $35 a month. And then you have the Luxe box, which comes quarterly, which is $49 a month. For the base box, you get 5 products a month, every month, 5 full-size products. For the premium box, you get 6 full-size products every month. And for the Luxe box, you get 8 full-size products every quarter. Yes, you do. And if you're subscribed to both base and Luxe, when it's Luxe quarter, like a Luxe month, which is coming next month in December, you will not be receiving a base box. So now that I'm done explaining to you guys what BOXYCHARM is and how it works, and they also have pop-up. Pop-up is my favorite time. That's all I'm gonna tell you guys is pop-up is my favorite time. I'd be like, add to cart. But I hope my husband didn't hear that. Okay. Alright, let's just get into this. The first product we have is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone shadow eye pigment. Not eyeshadow pigment, but eye pigment that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one, composed of both creamy mattes, metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. This retails for $48. I did use it to create this look, except for my lid color, which I use from my premium box, which is this one, the Dose of Color Block Party Single Shadow. I use it and apply it to my lid and apply the other ones. Let me open it and show you guys which color. I use all the colors, to be honest. You guys will see that. If I can just open this, my nails are mighty freaking long. Y'all didn't see that. And this is what the palette looks like. Very, very beautiful palette. I love this palette oh so much. I I use all the colors, to be honest. I use this one in my inner corner to highlight. I use this one, my crease, my upper crease. I use this one, and I use that one on my lid, and then apply the dose of color one. I know it was a whole lot, but yes, that's what I did to get this look. And our next product is called, okay, Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle, sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredient and keep your skin barrier intact, so you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. This retails for $28. I'm sorry, I'm clapping my nails on the box. I have a terrible habit of doing that. This one I'm not really gonna like open because I already have my Pericone MD cleanser. I might just give this as a gift to someone, which the only people I'll be giving it to is family members, to be honest. This is what that looks like, because I don't really have friends that I talk to anymore anyway. So this is what that looks like. This one will probably, it has camellia and chamomile, so that can be very calming to the skin. Okay, it has a seal. I'm not gonna break that. I'm just gonna send it to my parents as a Christmas present. Yes. I have a lot of things I want to like put in a bag and give them for Christmas. Even though, like, when it comes to my parents, no shade, but shade, mom and dad. I know y'all are watching. Like, I gave them like skincare products like 2 years ago. They still have it. They still have it, so it's like, I'm like, do they really want it? Do they need it? Because they don't use them, so it's like, Anyway, let's move on. Sorry, mom. Sorry, dad. Love y'all. And then up next, we have, this was a choice item, the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara, a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. This retails for $24. I did use it to create this look, like as mascara, obviously. I mean, I liked it because I have very small, teeny, weeny lashes that, I don't know. For me, mascaras never do much. So it's like, really? This is really heavy. It's a beautiful packaging. And it has lots of ridges. If you guys can hear the ridges from my mic, it's probably annoying for you guys. Sorry. I must have. Okay, yeah. That was that. That retailed for $24. I don't know if I said that. Me, I've only like one thing from Milk Makeup. Really, to be honest, is their primer. That's the only thing I like from Milk Makeup, but yeah. Okay, the fourth product we have is called, oh, what was that flashing? I have no clue. Anyway, it's called the Insta Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. A 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin-loving ingredient that helps nourish and polish the surface of polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces the skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. It retails for $45. It has pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. Ooh, these are all things I like eating anyway. Papaya, when I saw papaya, I kind of like had a flashback to like childhood and stuff. like living with my parents, to where my mom and my dad used to make this papaya smoothie. If you're Haitian, you know what I'm talking about. It's like the best smoothie ever. I kid you not. Papaya smoothies are the best. I love papaya. But this is what the packaging look like. Very cute and orangey. Oh my god, I really like it. It's so cute. I don't know. I feel sexy holding that for some reason. Like, what do you guys think? I look sexy. I'm being foolish. I know. Does it have a seal? Probably, yeah. Not opening it because when I tell you guys, I'm a skincare junkie. I collect these things, literally. Like, if you guys want to see a video of my skincare collection, let me know down below in the comment. And I'll show you guys the video. I'll show you guys the amount of freaking skincare I have. Yeah. Last product we have is the Jekka Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. Meet the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises the darkness and even out the skin tone. Lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. This retails for $15. I'm holding it upside down. No, I'm not. I'm fine. It's retail for $15. I did use it. But for me, it couldn't really correct anything because I felt like because my skin is so dark that it was unable to do anything because the tint it's very like peachy salmony color. If you guys can see, it's like the same color as this, and this is what it looks like. If I'm correcting, it doesn't do much, but I like the texture and I'm gonna use it, but it doesn't really color correct for me. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna use it just to finish using it since I opened it up and I can't give it to anyone. But yeah, I thought it'd be deeper, it'd be different shade, but there wasn't any different shades. Anyway, that is it for the box, guys. Now we're gonna do some math to see what the total cost of the box is. The total for my box was $160 this month. Am I disappointed in the items I received? Oh, hell no. Like, hell to the no. Could I have used one of the serums that I saw other people received? Yes. Yes, I would have taken that instead of the Jekka Black corrector. That's the only thing I didn't like in there. After that, I liked every items that I received. And for $25, how can you complain? If you were to go to the stores to buy these things, it would cost you more than that. So there's no complaint here for me. I love BOXYCHARM. You guys know that. There's no turning me away from BOXYCHARM. I think even when I become rich, I will still be subscribed to BOXYCHARM even when I'm rich, because it's something about BOXYCHARM, is that feeling, and you just can't help it. You just can't help it. You open that box, you're like, I'm forever happy. Okay, I'm forever happy. I love BOXYCHARM. But that is it, guys. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up button, and share this video with your friends and family. I will see you guys on the next one. Goodbye, my loves.